Most people think getting better with money starts with earning more. But the truth is, your financial life usually changes the moment you understand one simple rule. Your money habits today predict your bank account 5 years from now. And the surprising part? Most people are repeating the same habits without even noticing. Think about this. Every time you open a shopping app out of boredom, every time you tell yourself it's only $20, every time you avoid checking your bank account, you're teaching your brain a pattern. And patterns compound just like money does. Here's the story nobody tells you. A man once said, "I didn't get rich by making one big decision. I got rich by making one small decision thousands of times." That's how money really works. Not luck, not timing. Consistency of boring, tiny habits. So here's the beginner-friendly blueprint that actually moves the needle. First, create a friction habit. Make spending harder and saving easier. Turn off one-click purchasing, delete the shopping apps you use impulsively, and keep your savings in an account you can't see without logging in. Second, follow the 48-hour rule. If you want to buy something non-essential, force yourself to wait 2 days. Most desires disappear within hours. If it's still worth it after 48, fine. If not, you saved yourself from emotional spending. Third, pay yourself first, even if it's $5. The habit matters more than the amount. This rewires your brain to see savings as a requirement, not an option. And finally, track one number, your daily average spending. Not budgets, not spreadsheets, just the average. When you watch it, it naturally goes down. Small habits create big money outcomes. 5 years from now, your future self will thank you for the tiny decisions you start today.